how the data can help support facility managers in developing business cases to reduce their deferred maintenance, because for example, it's 3 to 4 times the cost to eventually address deferred maintenance than it was originally. So for example, if I had a roof that needed to be replaced that was $1 million, and I say, well, I don't have the capital, I'm going to defer that. Eventually that ends up costing 3 to 4 times more than it would have just to address it right when we needed to address it. So you think about developing those ROIs that we can then communicate the need for that capital money. This information, this report is helpful for that. So I think, yeah, go ahead.
Within that deferred maintenance, Steve, did you break that down by component? By like building, if you got a route, by the building envelope, by infrastructure, how did you break that apart? I mean, that's a big nugget.
Yeah, it is not broken down by building systems. So it's just generally how much our hospitals spending or should be spending every year on capital renewal. Now, exactly how that's broken up, like 10% goes to roofs and 5% goes to part that's not included. Now, we do that for operating expenses. We know what percent is going to different areas within our plant operations. But this was really the first attempt to say, just for budgeting purposes, what's the number? So that's what it provides.
Yep.